Hi everyone, welcome to Function Pilates. I'm Vanessa Kelly, master trainer and studio owner of Function Pilates, located in Tempe, Arizona. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a default series of ab exercises to use in the ab category. I'm working on a balanced body piece of equipment, and I've chosen one red and one yellow spring to start you out with the beginner series. It totals about 1¼ springs if you're working on a different model. I understand as a student this can be overwhelming and challenging as you're piecing together exercises for your clients. So the videos and tutorials I've created for you are here to help and assist you through the learning process. I do hope that you like them, and if you do, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So let's go ahead and get started. So have the client reach for the straps and then provide tension in the straps so that the wrists are organized over the shoulders, and then cue your client to bring one leg at a time into tabletop. Let's begin with just pressing those arms straight down towards the machine. So they're very energized arms, the fingertips are reaching forward, and you're reminding your client to keep their shoulders away from their ears to create space. Now we can add flexion as an option. It doesn't have to be though, especially if your client has cervical issues or spine conditions. We want to eliminate the flexion and then just keep them in neutral spine. So carefully check that they're in neutral spine and that they're not overly arching their back and they're not overly imprinting the back. Open those arms out to a T for the second variation and remind them to bring those palms in towards the hips. They're opening out their arms in their peripheral vision. So the arms were never to go behind their shoulder. Again, if they want to add flexion, that is an option, but it's not necessary. The goal is to provide core work here. So just allowing those legs to be in tabletop is providing that core work and the objective that we are looking for the client. Remind your client to breathe and soften the jaw. So in the next part, let's add and combine those two exercises we just did for arm circles. We're going to condition the shoulders here. And once again, there's a point as you open the arms out to a T that the carriage doesn't move. Again, we're teaching the client about stability here. Their abs are maintaining that connection. Keep those knees hugging together. And if you notice that the legs are drifting down, remind your client to pick up those heels and visualize a cup of water on top of their knees. You can reverse your arm circles here, and a good repetition is anywhere from 5 to 8. Just pay attention, watch your client, and you'll know the right amount of repetitions to do, especially if they're getting fatigued. It's all about how many good ones they're doing, not about the quantity here. And then the last part of the default series is our tricep press. So the arms are straight down, you're bending at the elbows and straightening the arms out. So remind them to feel and activate the triceps, the back of the arm. Intentionally and deliberately keeping those elbows next to their ribs. And again, we're going anywhere from about 5 to 10. You know your client best. Remind them to exhale and take those inhales. And let them take one foot down at a time onto the foot bar as they hang their straps up and get a nice little stretch here. Join me on the next video and we'll talk about hip work.